I'm Gwen Preston of Resource Maven. We're here at the Metals Investor Forum in Vancouver in January, and I'm joined by Craig Parry of ISOEnergy. It's your first time at the conference, so thanks for coming.
Thanks for having us, Gwen.
Absolutely, and it's their first time because ISO's not a new company. ISO's new to the Maven portfolio, but you haven't been doing a lot of getting out there and talking about what you've been doing because uranium has not been a very exciting area of conversation for quite some time, but that's starting to change. So we're getting a uranium market that's more interesting, and ISO, in my opinion, stands out in that for two reasons. You've got money, and you've got the potential for some exciting results.
Yeah, absolutely. So, and look, you're spot on. We haven't done much promoting the company for the past couple of years. Really, no point. That sort of, gives us two things. The sort of share price performance hasn't been great for the last 2 years, but it's allowed us to do a number of deals cheaply that we otherwise wouldn't have been able to do. So that's been a positive, really.
Absolutely. And those deals included getting. Your original portfolio came from NextGen. Mm-hmm. That's an important thing to notice because you guys are born out of NextGen, and that connection's still very strong. Mm-hmm. So NextGen owns
53% of the company at the moment. Yep.
Exactly.
Yep. NextGen subscribed for $1.5 million worth of stock in our recent placement in December. So I'm still on the board there. Lee Courier, CEO of NextGen, is our chairman. So the connection's very strong.
Yeah, yep. And that matters. The portfolio came from NextGen originally.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
A lot of the technical ideas are shared amongst the companies. You're helping each other in that sense, which is important for the kind of mineralization you're looking for.
For sure.
But yes, you were able to add some projects to the portfolio for not a lot of money, and one of those now maybe has a discovery on it that came out just last year.
Exactly. No, that's the situation. So I guess that strategy that we've been implementing for the past couple of years has really started to pay off. And that Larocque East property where we've made that discovery drill hole, we picked that property up in May last year from Cameco. That's another thing, that our team, the sort of success that the broader group has had through that NextGen success has allowed us to do a lot of deals that others wouldn't have been able to get done. We've raised money, and so people like to work with us because they know we'll get it and drill test things. Right. And that Larocque property is a good example of that. We picked it up in May, had a drill rig out there 6 weeks later, and lo and behold, it was a discovery hole, high-grade mineralisation. 8.5 metres at 1.3% U3O8. That's 22 grams per tonne gold equivalent. Yeah. So really nice hit. Yep.
Absolutely. So now drills are turning right now?
Yes, yeah.
To follow up on that situation?
For sure. The most nervous of times, of course, in an explorationist's life, follow-up drill holes.
Yeah.
We kicked off that program on Monday, so we should have some results coming in very, very soon. And I guess we approach it with great confidence based on the mineralisation we've seen there at that first hole and the alteration particularly, that we should hit more mineralisation, but time will tell.
Time will tell. And what really drew me to the story at this juncture is you're about to release results. We don't know what they'll be, but like we've said, the odds are fairly good that you're going to find something proximal to this good discovery hole that you have. And this is into a uranium market that's getting more and more interesting, but there's hardly any active uranium exploration. No,
that's spot on. So I think, there's probably 30, 40 junior uranium companies down from about 500 6 or 7 years ago. So not many opportunities to invest, and even less that are actually doing exploration work and doing serious exploration work. So, and then even less that are drilling high-grade uranium mineralisation at the moment. We're probably it, really.
Yeah, I would think so. So if those results come out, I think they'll grab a lot of attention.
For sure, I hope so.
Here's hoping, right? Perfect. Well, good luck. I look forward to hearing about the results, as I'm sure you do.
Good on you, Gwen. Yeah, absolutely. And thank you for all your support.
You're welcome. Thanks.
Good on you. Cheers.